Hi, I am from Sri Nani Cars at Jubilee Hills. Hi, I am from Sri Nani Cars. It is in Jubilee Hills, Srinagar Colony. Today I want to tell you about this car. It is a Honda Brio 2014 model, petrol version and manual transmission. It is very well maintained and just 44,000 kilometers driven. The tire condition and the battery condition of this car is very nice. It is a nice car for the family budget people. You will get this car up to 3.2 lakhs with insurance. This this car will give you the mileage up to 17 km per liter, and the design of this car is also very nice. It will give you a good service. It is a fully showroom track vehicle. It has very nice music system, radio and aux compatibility in it. The shape of this car is also very nice and it is very well designed. It is non-accidental, non-touch-up car. Then coming to the interior of this car, you will get a good leather seats with all the basic and all the requirements of the latest functions. The AC coolant of this car will get cool in just few seconds. It is in manual transmission and will give you the best facility in driving and you will get a pleasant driving experience in this car in the budget of up to 3.2 lakhs. To the boot space of this car, it has very nice space in it to keep the luggages of 2 to 3 persons easily. It is a Honda Brio petrol variant and manual transmission. It is in red rally metallic color, just 44,000 km driven, fully showroom track and it is of 2014 model. The condition of this car is very nice, non-accidental, non-touch-ups and non-paint. The tires condition and the battery condition of this car is also very nice. Coming to the interior of this car, it has aux Bluetooth. And USB connectivity in it. The cost of this car is of up to 3.5 lakhs, which will be negotiable up to 3.2 lakhs for our valuable customers. We will provide all kind of banking facilities like finance in private and all bank sectors. To come and see the vehicle, please come at Jubilee Hills, Srinagar Colony.